Dear students, here we have sample of Central Board of Secondary Education Delhi secondary school examination. This admit card which will be given to you during the examination, wherein the first page of this particular answer booklet will be having this OMR sheet, wherein you will be given to fill in details of the subject which you are going to write for and the subject code which will be given to you. For example, if you are taking science, you will be writing 086 as the subject code. It will be also given on the question paper booklet itself that you can enter directly. And day and date of examination, you should be very careful. The day of the examination and date both will be given in your hall ticket itself. The same date you are going to enter, and the day, what day it falls on, you are going to mention, like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Monday, like that. And medium of answering the paper, always it will be English only. You will enter English. And then in fact, in particularly, if suppose you are going to write any regional language paper, then you are going to mention that regional language name here. For example, if you are writing Kannada, you will write Kannada. If you are writing Hindi, Hindi, like that you will mention that particular language. If not, rest all the subjects like science, social science, mathematics, you will be writing English. Even physics, chemistry, biology, accountancy, business studies or economics, you will be mentioning English only. And the code number, it will be mentioned on the top of your question paper itself. Once the question paper booklet is given to you, you watch on the top of it wherein the code number will be written. It will be including the code of the subject and the set number which you are going to get. The set number will be the last number which you are going to identify and then write it 1, 2, 3, 4. That means there will be 4 sets or 3 sets which will be given to you. Based upon that, you are going to encircle that particular set which you have obtained. For example, let us say your subject is English. You are going to write English and your subject code is 301, and you have tomorrow, that is Friday. You are going to write Friday. Date is for tomorrow we have date 24th February 23, and medium of answering the paper is English only, and subject code may be 301 A bar 1, so you are going to encircle 1 here. And then this supplementary number of supplementary used, you will be writing only when you have completed your examination. In case the number of papers what is being circulated under the booklet, if it is not sufficient, then you are going to ask for the extra supplementary copy which will be given by the invigilator in the examination hall, that you are going to enter here. Like for example, if you have taken 1 sheet, you will write 1. If you have taken 2 sheets, you will write 2. If nothing is written, just put a slash over here so that it indicates that you have not taken anything. And in particularly some cases, if the person is with having benchmark disability, like if they have any health issues which are of under consideration and which is given by the CBSE itself on the hall ticket or admit card, they have mentioned that the PWD candidates, if such kind of thing is there, you write yes. If not, you can write it as no here. And the code of disability is also, there will be numbering which will be given under the admit card itself. You can enter that particular code. If not, you can leave it as such. A slash may be written. And here, whether the writer is provided with scribe. The scribes, if it is written, if it is given for blind people, then you can write yes. If not, you can write it this thing. And visually challenged people, you can write no. If supposedly you are taking any scribe, if visually challenged are there, then you will write the mentioned particulars as per the invigilators and admit card directions. And then next, coming to your filling up of details here. Here the serial number for the answer booklet will be already printed one which will be coming to you. If supposedly it's not there, kindly identify with the invigilator what is the serial numbers and all. Although this is from CBSE, there will be not any problems over here because they will be printing it and then sending it to you. And then coming to here, candidate's name and capital letters. Whatever the name you have, you are going to enter here. For example, I am going to enter, for example, a student by name Karnataka. I am going to write this Karnataka in capital letter, and space I am writing India. So here K will be the first letter. So you are going to identify from the particular row where is the K, and you are going to bubble that particular K. And then here A is there, A you are going to bubble. Here R you are going to identify, R you are going to encircle. Like that you are going to find out the particular letter and you are going to identify. The better thing what you can do is first you identify all the letters and make a small marking over here by taking pencil, so that there will be no mistakes from your end, because this is the one which will be first scanned out from the examination verification and all, and they will be going for your valuation. So that's why it should be no mistakes. There is no like a space for to do any kind of mistakes here. So you should be very careful while filling it up. And then once I have made the markings, then you can bubble it up. Okay, it will become easy for you now. Identification of letters will become easy. Then you bubble it up so that there will be no such mistake which will be committed from your end. Okay. Now there is a space here. So in the space means you are not going to take any letters from here. As such you are going to leave it. And then after space I is there, I am going to identify I over the same row and then I am going to mark it. N is there, and then N I am going to identify and mark it. D is there, D I am going to mark it. And then again I is there, I am going to mark. Then A is there, A I am going to mark. Then again encircling. So bubble it up. I have bubbled it up now. So this is how you are going to bubble it up. And roll number as such, your admit card will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digit numbers are given. You are going to enter those 8 digit number. Here also the same thing. For example, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I am going to bubble 1 from here, 2 here. As per the row only I should go. 3, as 3 is there, 3 I am going to bubble. 4 is there, 4 I am going to bubble. If supposedly here again 2 is there, I am going to come to the 2 only. 6 is there, 6. 7 is there, 7. 8 is there, 8. Then again bubble it up. And subject code will be written, like we have entered already subject code here, 301. I am going to enter 301. And you are going to mark it 301. Okay. And then center number will also be given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6 digit number. So 6 digit number 860365. Like that it will be given. Some numbers will be there on your admit card. It will be mentioned center number. So that number only you can enter. And then English I am going to write English core. So code number 301 stands for English core for class 12 standard students. So you will be writing English core. And then roll number inwards, it will be written like 8 digit number, whatever you have, you are going to write it the same numbers here. 1 crore 23 lakhs 42,678. This is the number what I have written there. So the same numbers you are going to write it in crores, lakhs, thousands and unit digits. 78. This is the number. And then father's or guardian name, you are going to write it in whatever the father name is written. Guardian names, if supposedly father is not there, you can write guardian name or mother name like that. So that time you encircle. If supposedly father name is written, mark it father name, or guardian name is written, mark it over guardian name. And signature of the candidate, put signatures. And then this is what you need to fill it up. Rest all the other things, signature of assistant superintendent will be filled by the invigilator, one who is there in the examination center. Facsimile stamp of the center superintendent, it will be put initially by the exam authority and then it will be circulated to you. The same answer booklet, it will be circulated for both 10th and 12th standard. So you will be now aware of how it should be filled and then how the bubbling work will be done through this. I hope this particular video will help you certainly in filling up the details, and then there will be no mistakes from your end while writing the examination. Thank you.